how to upload a custom thumbnail for your YouTube videos. Welcome to another video clip from Tech for All. If you are not a member, please subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified by emails for new videos. To be able to upload custom thumbnails in your YouTube video, first you have to verify your account. If you don't know how to verify your account, I have put the link of the video in the description. Follow the video, verify your channel, and then come back. Now that you have verified your channel, you can upload a custom thumbnail. But there are some rules. The length of the picture should be 1080 pixels and the weight should be 1920 pixels. The total size should not exceed 2 MBs. Now let's go ahead and start uploading a custom thumbnail in our YouTube video. Click on the channel icon and then go to YouTube Studio Beta. Click on the upload video button. Choose the file you want to upload. When you have selected the file, click open. Now here you can see the custom thumbnail option. Click on the custom thumbnail button, select the thumbnail, click open. The custom thumbnail will be automatically uploaded along with the video. The video processing is also finished. You can see the preview of the thumbnail in here. Click on publish. The video will be published with the custom thumbnail that you have uploaded. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.